everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Wiggle Worm Pure Worm Casting 100% Organic Fertilizer. Are you ready to revolutionize your garden and indoor plants? We'll discover the unmatched power of worm casting fertilizer, the all-natural, eco-friendly solution that takes your plants from ordinary to extraordinary. Packed with essential nutrients, worm castings provide plants with a balanced diet of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, ensuring robust growth and vibrant blooms. Improve soil structure and fertility with every application. A little goes a long way. Worm castings enhance water retention, aeration, and microbial activity, creating a thriving environment for your plants. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and synthetic fertilizers. Worm castings are 100% organic and safe for your family, pets, and the environment. Worm castings release nutrients slowly over time, ensuring continuous feeding for weeks or even months. Perfect for gardens, lawns, potted plants, and even indoor plants. No matter where you grow, worm castings deliver exceptional results. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.